So this is Lynn'S Fireworks, located on the south side of Indianapolis, Indiana, a year-round location, 5855 Madison Avenue, Suite A. Phone number 317-893-6894. Shipping is available, delivery is available, curbside pickup is available. Open 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Lynn'S Fireworks. Yes, we do accept credit cards. All major credit cards accepted. No checks, no checks. All credit cards and cash. One of the best fireworks stores in Indianapolis. Good deals, the best deals, the cheapest in the city. Come on down to Lynn'S, where everybody wins.